Hi, I'm Bob. He's Jan, and that's Dave. And together we're restoring an A-26 Invader bomber with the help of some amazing volunteers. So come along and join us on this amazing journey. Welcome to another week at the high maintenance hangar. Getting to some more hijinks. Doing a few other things to these cowls. So for whatever reason, whoever or whenever this was done, there was some holes put in this air duct for the carburetors on the right nacelle, and can't really see a reason for doing that. So we're filling them. There's nothing in here on the other cowl. So Jan is working on a solution to fill those holes. Then we'll try to put this cowl up there again and see what it feels like with the duct. Jan got those holes filled and just doing a little more work to tweak the cowl a little bit, and we're going to set it back up on this engine. So we put the cowl back on there. It's still being a pain in the butt. Just doesn't want to go where we think it should go. So we're still experimenting with that. Not that this is an experimental aircraft, but we've got to get it figured out. One of the things that has been kind of a delay on this is the work that Jan has had to do on other aircraft. Let me show you this. It's a Yak-50 flown by Barry Hancock, and he just got it inspected, and they added a bunch of lights for air show purposes, and it sounds really good. I wasn't able to capture the startup, but it's an air start. It's an air powered, everything on the airplane basically, the flaps, the gear, the starter, the brakes are all powered by air. And it's a really weird deal because it just catches one and then it pops and the engine comes right to life. But let me show you that.
That's a big day.
Anyway, it was really noisy and fun. And I'm going to try something new this week. I bought a new camera, and this is designed to hang on my glasses. I don't necessarily like watching that sometimes. It kind of makes me nauseous, but I'll see how it works and if you guys like it. If not, let me know in the comments. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, so now you can clip one, huh?
Well, we'll see how it goes. I have no idea what I'm looking at.
All right, so you do that, or you can do that. Problem with that is you can have to have a long C in there to squish those.
Yeah, you're not squishing those. We don't have
And
it.
so I don't know. I suppose if you wanted to, you could buck them from the inside. Those certainly are.
Yep.
So that could happen.
All right, so I know this is a extremely short video, but I'm only here for today. I'm leaving in the morning, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. I'm leaving for Sun and Fun. I'm going to be hanging out with the boys from Rebuild Rescue, and so I'll be hanging out at Sun and Fun. If you're down in Sun and Fun, come on, introduce yourself, say hi. I'd like to meet you if I haven't already. And let me tell you about our toy here. Anyway, the boys are off to lunch. I'm going to have to take off here in a little bit to go get ready. I've got to get up at 4 a.m. to catch an airplane. But hopefully, if you're down there, I'll see you. In the meantime, have a great week. Come back next time. See what other hijinks we get along with on high maintenance. Thanks for watching. Welcome to another Welcome to another wing. Why can't I say week?